How to find QR code on Discord PC. So here is how to find the QR code so you can log in quickly using your phone. So let's get started. First of all, let's simply go to the Google browser, and all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and simply type down Discord. And once you tap on the Discord, tap on the first option available there to navigate to the Discord's official website. Then tap on the login option available at the top right. Then if you already have an account logged into your Discord, then you'll have to log out of it first of all. Then tap on the user settings option available there at the bottom left. Then at the left hand side panel, scroll down and there you will get to see log out option available and log out of this account. Now here you can see there is a Discord QR code option available. The QR code appears automatically on the right side of the login screen. So that is it. The QR code is only shown on the login screen, not when already logged in. It is valid for a limited time and regenerates after a few minutes for security. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.